Hi guys, I'm Marty, development chef here at Tucker Fresh IGA, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious crispy Asian noodle stir fry. It's fast, it's fun, it's healthy and it's delicious, and it's ready in just 10 minutes. So I'm just prepping my veggies for the stir fry. I think it's best if you chop them slightly thicker. Just drop those in gently. Now we can get on to the stir fry. I'm just going to go in with my sesame oil. So as you can see, really smoky, that's what you're looking for. So my noodles have been cooking for about 4 minutes. We're just going to put the noodles straight into the wok. And then we're going to finish it with our sauce, which is a combination of honey, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce and sesame. And we're just going to give this a really good mix. So I'm just going to finish off the garnish, guys, with a little bit of finely chopped red chili. This adds a little bit of heat, it is optional. And we're just going to put a little bit of spring onion. And just finish it off with some salted cashews for that extra crunch. Here we have it, my super easy, super fast and super delicious 10-minute crispy Asian noodle stir fry.